Hey, crafty friends. This is like the third time I've tried to film this because of dogs barking. But welcome to a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. I used an absolutely stunning Stamperia collection, and I'll be honest with you, I went to the website to find out the name of this collection because I used the whole front of the paper pad and I couldn't remember the name of it. And it seems that they're out of stock on this particular collection, but there are many other amazingly beautiful collections to choose from. Um, this collection has all the ABCs. I didn't use any of that, but if you want to look it up, it's the one with the ABCs. So again, I wanted to create a beautiful group of single fold cards. If you are a regular subscriber, you would know that my husband and I are starting a furniture flipping business where we're also going to have lots of small items for people to purchase. And I want to have a beautiful collection of cards for people to look through as well. So I created this happy birthday card using the paper collection. I did distress everything, so all the edges of the paper are distressed, and then I just go to layering. I've got some of this jute trim back behind, some white lace, my flower clusters, and most of my flowers are wild orchid craft flowers. And then I purchased these little plastic leaves and such at the, Joann's and Michael's and stuff like that. You can get those little sprays, and I mix them in, and also the little berry sprays. So there you go. Really simple. Happy birthday. You can write whatever you want on the inside, and then I put it in a cellophane and close it up. And they are to be given, either in person or sent in a little box to the recipient. So here's my next one. I used a die cut corner piece. I needed to fill this corner. And I didn't want to do it with flowers because the flowers kind of cascade down on the paper. So I used that die cut there. The sentiment's already on the paper. Find that magical place in your world and live there. And then I used the word forever. So it just says this, but I wanted to add forever and live there forever. I love it. So that's my second card. Third one, we got another happy birthday, and this one's got a beautiful bird nest on the paper. Now this particular piece right here was from the front of the paper, the cover sheet, and I cut it apart and was able to use that. So again, we've got the beautiful flowers cascading on the paper. I layered, obviously dimensional flowers and leaves. Also over here, seam binding bow and happy birthday, and then another corner piece like that. This one has a die cut in the background, and it's kind of a circle in the middle, but I didn't want to use that. I wanted mainly these pieces back here, and then we have our flower cluster coming around here. Hey, stop. It says, on the earth, there is no heaven, but there are pieces of it. We added a few little butterflies there and a burlap bow. And then finally, our last card is this one. And on the paper, it says, only small things with great love. And I wanted to cover up that little small word that said love. And I used another piece of paper from the collection, distressed it, and then put the wood word love. And again, we have the beautiful little bird's nest, and we've got little butterflies and corner pieces. And yeah, that's the fifth card. So I created, I think, 15 cards with this collection. There will be a series of videos with this collection because there's the pinks, there's like purples and lavenders, and there's some yellows. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Head over to ASC Supplies. $75 or more, ships for free. I'm not kidding you guys. She's in the Atlanta area. Ships really, really fast. I get my orders in 3 days. So really great customer service, and highly, highly recommend them. So check out all the links in the description box down below the video. If you're interested in purchasing my cards, there will be a link in the description box down below as well for my eBay store. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.